New COVID-19 cases in North Carolina fell by nearly 30%.
The state added more than 10,000 new cases last week. COVID-19 hospitalizations were also down 14%. 832 people checked into hospitals across the state. That's the fewest we've seen since June. The state also added another 327 deaths, a majority of which were catching up from earlier, I should say, in the pandemic. And that brings the total number of deaths closer to 27,000 for the entire pandemic.
We know who is dying and when, but tonight CBS 17 digital reporter Jody McCrary is digging deeper into why doctors say we also need to understand where.
A doctor at UNC went through thousands of death certificates. He says the problem is too many people who died of COVID did so, not at a hospital like this one, but at home.
And this is not a disease that you should be dying at home with.
But UNC Dr. David Wall says too many people have. Nearly 23,000 North Carolinians died of COVID between March 2020 and the end of 2021. Wall's team found 1 in 12 of those deaths took place at home.
If you die at home with COVID-19, it means there's probably a failure for you to be able to get into a clinic in a hospital, a failure for you to access it, to utilize it.
People of color faced even higher levels of risk. When it comes to white people, for every 100,000 to catch COVID, just over 11 died at home. That number jumped to nearly 17 dying at home for African Americans and 19 for Latinos. So why is this happening? Wall says part of it could be a lack of access to health care. He adds others might be afraid to go to hospitals if they are not in the country legally.
So I think there's a whole bunch of things that we're seeing that were amplified during this pandemic that were already barriers to care for people of color and led to inequities that I think we're seeing amplified during the pandemic and leading, unfortunately, to lethal outcomes among these populations here.
So how do we get rid of those barriers? Wall has some ideas, and he lays them out in My Story online. In Raleigh, Jody McCrary, CBS 17 News.